to tell you how to use Claude AI to learn SQL language from scratch. If you're using Claude AI and you want to learn SQL using Claude AI, so let's see how we can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and here just make sure that you are logged into your Claude AI account. So now once you are here in conversation, you just have to add a simple prompt.